Hi guys, welcome back to Jamaica in 5. Today we're driving on one of the busiest roads in Kingston and St. Andrew. We're driving on Constant Spring Road. It's also one of the longest roads. But what makes Constant Spring Road so famous is it has more malls or plazas on it than any other road in Jamaica. Not only that, more plazas are located on Constant Spring Road than any other area in Jamaica. That's right. More plazas are in this area than any other area in Jamaica. It also has it has some of the more popular malls in Jamaica, and definitely the most popular malls in Kingston, or some of the most popular malls, I should say, are located on this road. Now, the largest mall in Jamaica is Fairview Plaza in Montego Bay. That's the largest mall, not only in Jamaica, but the entire Caribbean. But in Kingston, you find more malls in this one area than any other area in Jamaica. So that's what Constant Spring Road is most famous for. We're going to take a look at some of the malls. Now, this intersection is with Constant Spring Road and West Kings House Road. On the right is the Ministry of Justice. That used to be a plaza, but the government took it over and converted the plaza into the Ministry of Justice. If we turn left, that's West Kings House Road. So we're going straight and continuing on Constant Spring Road. Now, Constant Spring Road runs from Manor Park all the way down to Halfway Tree, and it passes a lot of residential areas. So the fact that Constant Spring Road leads you into Halfway Tree, and Halfway Tree is the busiest place in Jamaica, then you can imagine the amount of traffic that uses this road every day. And that's why you have a lot of plazas on it, because with this kind of traffic, the plazas will do well. Okay, so on the left is Lane Plaza. On the right is Courts. Then on the left is Village Plaza. Okay, we're going to go over in this lane so you can get a better look. And then we're now passing Mall Plaza. Okay, we're going to turn in so you can get an idea. Now, Mall is one of the top plazas in Jamaica. As you can see, it was recently renovated. Straight ahead, that office building, that's the passport office. Okay, this plaza beside it is now called the Village Plaza, or just the Village. Looks like some renovation is being done. Actually, looks like some expansion. now driving through Tropical Plaza. And Tropical Plaza used to be the #1 plaza in Kingston and St. Andrew at one time. Okay, straight ahead, that's the Springs Plaza. On the left, we're passing Premier Plaza, and on the right is Central Plaza. We're now entering the halfway tree area. Straight ahead, that's the Pavilion Mall. And where you can see those white arches, that's the halfway tree transport center. So this part of halfway tree now is like the heart of halfway tree. This is the busiest part. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.